All right. R6, rational exponents.
You're so good.
Negative exponents. Let A be a non-zero real number and N be any integer.
Whoa. That's a new word.
It was in the first section.
Yeah. Oh, never mind.
Integer?
A to the
I feel like
negative
I haven't
n
heard that one
equals
before.
1 over A to the n.
Does that say Sarah? Oh no, that's it.
Exponent.
The Mr. Cassism that goes with this one is put it where it ain't. Make it positive.
I have a super off-topic question. Did you see our setter crying last night?
I thought it was really funny.
Number 7 was crying like halfway through like the third set. The rest of the
I
game.
thought you said our setter, and I was like, I don't think she was.
No, the other setter.
She was just really mad. Like, you could hear her yelling at her team too. She's like, "You guys need to go for that ball." And like when for all the timeouts and stuff, she was like waving her arms a lot.
Quotient rule. But to answer your question, no, I did not. Let M and N be integers and A be a non-zero real number. A to the m over A to the n is equal to A to the m minus n.
I'm actually freaking out. I'm gonna need like one of those pills to like calm me down.
But
Do you know why she's freaking out?
Yeah, she said she gotta get 1,000 kids. That's insane.
I just didn't know if you just thought she was freaking out for no reason. That's why I was asking.
Well, it's just like
No, she said last period.
yeah, we
Two periods ago.
talk about it a lot.
we've been talking about
Ariel and Joel don't help. They keep bringing it up, but now I'm thinking about it right now. I don't know why.
I could just bench you. That help?
Put me in.
I don't know. I don't think it's gonna help.
All right, the expression A to the 1 over n. A to the 1 over n when n is even.
Well, we're ready, right? We're
So
ready.
what?
He said, "Put me in, you're in. We got this." He's gonna set for me. I'll hit.
If n is an even positive integer
Maybe we'll switch that. Maybe I'll set it for him.
Oh, that sounds better.
and if a is greater than 0, then A to the 1 over n is the positive real number whose nth power is A. That is A to the 1 over n raised to the n equals A.
Even Coach Hunter and Miss Bree are coming after their practice.
You asked Miss Greer to come.
I knew I did. Coach Hunter, I did not ask. She just said she was coming.
Also, Kenny's mom can't come now, but she said to tell you congratulations and she's praying for you.
Aww.
She's going to come on Tuesday, though. Oh, well, either Tuesday or Friday next week. She said she wasn't sure what her schedule looked like, but she's going to come to one of those.
Oh, I said thanks.
All right, and A to the 1 over n if n is odd. If n is an odd positive integer and A is any non-zero real number, then A to the 1 over n is the positive
I've eaten too
or negative real number whose nth power is a, that is a to the 1 over n raised to the n is equal to a, and for all positive
God.
integers 0 to the 1 over n equals 0.
This is a lot. Now that's a lot.
I think my dad's gonna cry tonight. He cried last night.
You did?
I don't even know why.
You should tell him we're not doing crying this year.
Is it gonna be bad if I don't cry?
No.
Berkeley like bawled, and I don't think I'm gonna cry.
Then don't.
I'm scared.
Just okay. Don't like try not to cry, but like if you're feeling cry. If you're not
Well, I
feeling
don't
cry,
think I'm
don't
gonna
cry.
feel that emotional.
Then
Not during the game, I don't think.
I think I'm gonna cry.
I think Berkeley's was emotional because it was like the last point, or like. Something
And I
like
wasn't
that.
there.
And Stacy was.
She was really just crying because I wasn't there.
Oh yeah, you
I
were
was-
there.
Yeah, we were really.
Good thing you're gonna be here for mine. I would be really upset. I probably wouldn't even play. Cancel the game.
All right, the expression a to the m over n. Let m be an integer, n be
I have no idea.
any positive
Not that I know of.
integer, and
But
a
it's
be
yours. Everyone's welcome.
any real number
Is that a 7? Wait, never mind.
for which a to the 1 over n is a real number. A to the m over n equals a to the 1 over n times raised to the m.
What are we laughing at?
Lorelai, when I did that, she was like,
Is Miss Braxton on the bench tonight? Or no?
I think so. I told her she came for the rest of the season if she wants.
That's what I told her, and she's like, "That's not my decision." I was like, "What do you mean it's not your decision?" When did you tell her that though? Was it after?
Yesterday.
Oh, well, then maybe after.
She said she would think about it and let me know. She's willing to help out like when I need it, but she didn't know if she was gonna commit to do it all the time. And I was like, that's fine.
Or even just the home games. I know why you there.
Yeah. Well, I know like some
Also,
days her
apparently
schedule was.
Tabernacle was really bad. Like Bethel beat them like 25 to like 9 and 25 to 8. But we're not gonna have Riley and Payne, so it might be for the better. Like, just
We'll be there, though.
Plays game. I love those games.
oh. Okay.
It'll be fine.
Why?
It's in October. That's when I'm.
Huh? I'm really.
I'll tell you later.
Thank you.
You seem very confused. All right, rules for
I am
exponents.
actually really confused now. You just really confused me.
Let R and S be rational numbers the following results are valid
Yay.
for all positive numbers A and B. The product rule, A to the R times A to the S equals A to the R plus S. The quotient rule, A to the R over A to the S equals A to the R minus S. I have a charger. Negative exponent. Yes, you can. Let me finish this first.
Yeah.
A to the negative r equals 1 over a to the r. And then the power rules, there's 3 of them.
I need to go run, take a run or something.
A to the r raised to the s equals a to the rs. AB raised to the r equals a to the r b to the r. And then a over b raised to the r equals a to the r over b to the r.